Here in this, they will be asking about the same, like the doubts they have, and all the updates about doubt session and all that will be posted in here. Okay, that being said, just let me record to the cloud. Okay, go ahead. Whoever have doubts, please do go ahead and ask.
Yes, sir. Hi, sir. This is Vijay. I have a one doubt regarding the conditional formatting.
Okay.
So, can I share my screen, sir?
Yes.
Yeah, thank you.
Go ahead.
Sure, sir.
It is being live streamed, Vijay.
Oh, okay, sir. Okay.
You sharing? You sharing?
Yes, sir. I'm sharing the screen.
Okay.
Can you see my screen, sir?
Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah. So presently I'm displaying the text table, sir. So we have a sales here. So I've created one calculation field which is a profit N and Y, sir. So what I've created means if profit is greater than 150, then Y, else N, sir. Okay. If profit uh, Y, like if the profit is Y, the sales color should be formatted to green, sir. Actually, the requirement is.
But you are making it discrete, right? You should have moved that to the text in the marks card text, right? Move that sales to the marks card in the text. The sales that you have in the view, yeah, move that to text.
Okay.
Sum of say article, move that to bring that to text. No. The text that is in the label, marks card. Marks card. Left side, pages filter, and below that marks card, right?
One second, sir. Yeah, please, sir.
Marks card.
Go.
Yeah, in that text, drag in that you have text field, drag it to there.
Okay.
Where did you drag? No, boss. That's it.
Yeah.
Close that. You have dragged it to tool. Sale text. You are seeing in the marks card. You are seeing text in the marks card. In the marks card. No.
So,
Yeah, that text below that. No. Come out of that text.
okay.
You are seeing that text above that right side text. Yeah, drag it
Okay.
there.
Okay. Sorry.
Yeah. Now bring your profit y and n to color. And now, where is your text? I think you have reduced that size of that. Yeah, expand that. Yeah, no,
Yes.
other side. Now you can
Yes.
see the coloring. Okay.
Yes, sir. But actually, the client wanted the sales should be in middle of this
No, in the
table, sir.
middle, I don't think you can color that. Like conditional formatting is not possible.
Actually, in conditional formatting, I've tried, sir, but I didn't get the good result. So
No,
on that.
here you're getting that color, but you cannot have that in the middle and get your conditional formatting. That is what I'm saying.
Okay, sir. Okay. So actually, this can be done in only conditional formatting only, right, sir?
Yeah, because you can change the color of your background color of your sales that is present in the sheet, but the problem is you cannot change the color dynamically. Just
Okay.
like you can give a static color, but you cannot give a dynamic color.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah. Okay, sir.
right.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
That was one question. Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah. Anyone? Any doubts?
Hi.
Yeah. Hi. Shiv.
Actually, while publishing the report on the server,
Mhm.
so I was facing an issue because when I click on the I am having the text tables. So in the text tables, I'm having the various rows. So when I click on any of the rows, So it opens every row is having the embedded URL. So when I click on any of the rows, it opens in a single tab actually. So I want to open when I click any on the rows, so it should open in various tabs, not in the single tab. So can you do so in Tableau?
You want to open more than one in different tabs.
Yeah, yes,
Yes,
actually.
yes. Because whenever I click on any of the row field, so it will amend the same thing or overwrite the same thing in
You
the
want,
existing
okay, you
tab.
want that to open in a new tab.
Every click it should open in new tab.
I think in URL action there is something which I have seen long back. There is something which you add. Not this.
I have found something, but in that case, I have to add additional append something in the URL.
Yes, you have to.
Then,
That is what I'm talking about. Yes.
but this can be done only when we publish the report on the server. Then on that URL, I have to append every time when I change any web page and all. So
I
if
didn't get
I
you.
want
I
to
didn't get you.
move that report from the desktop to server, so it not works on that case.
No, I didn't get your point. You have URL action, right? In
Yes,
the
yes,
URL
URL
action,
action.
you can append that, right? If I have a URL action.
It works on desktop version, but it won't work on when we publish the report on server.
Oh, no, it should. If it is working on desktop, it should work on server.
No, that's okay.
Actually, I have tried. Yes.
Even if you are appending that to open in a new tab, it is not opening. That is what you're saying.
It is opening in new tab, but whenever I click it is opening in that existing tab. Like in new tab, it overrides the new changes that I am doing.
That will do. Every time new tab is not possible. This I had dealt with this long back. See, it will open in a new tab, and it will, whenever you click on again, it will override the existing one. That is what you're saying, right?
Yes, this is the thing that I am facing.
That
So
we cannot, because I don't think the problem here is this I had dealt with long back also. If you are opening in a single, like you are opening a new tab, any action in the earlier tab, right, will override what is existing in there. That
okay,
I'm
so
not sure if we can remove that. That is a default action of Tableau. We cannot remove that.
okay. So what I was doing, when I publishing any report on the server, then there is a URL that will show on the server, like on a web page. So on that web page, I append something like some Google have got something. So I append that one. Then we are able to do so on server, but that is not able to be pushed desktop to server.
Again, I didn't get you. Can you come again?
Actually, whenever I used to publish that report on the server, so there is a URL will appear on the server, like on. Then there is something I don't remember right now. I append that
Yeah, there is some command that you appended. Yeah.
Yeah, so I append something on the red URL, then multiple tab it works.
When it is a desktop, it doesn't have command on your tab. So whenever you click from here, it will go to a new tab. That is all. That is there all the time.
Yes.
But
New
in
tab, but
server, it is different, right? It's server. It will identify. It is identifying the next tab.
Okay.
Yeah. So that is why in server it is not possible. From desktop, yes, it is possible. Because desktop is in one application, your desktop, and server web browser in another application, right? It is navigating from here to there. It doesn't remember the earlier tab, so it is opening a new tab. But in server it is different, right?
Yes, yes.
So that is the reason it is opening on the same tab. But let me check. Let me check on that, because When you are opening, let us go for Tableau Public. Let me search for URL actions. For URL is working. Okay, let me work on that. Let me check on that, but I'm not sure if I can give you a solution on that. But I will try to get it. Like I have something in my mind, but I'm not sure if that will work. So let me check on that and get back to you. Okay,
Sure, sure.
but 99% there is no chance because earlier I have dealt with that. There is less chance we'll get the same. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Yeah. Any other doubts, guys? Hello.
Yeah, hi Rajat.
Hi.
Yeah, I just share my screen.
Mm-hmm. You're sharing your screen.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. So sharing is okay.
Yeah, are you saying?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is my Excel sheet in my requirement.
Mm-hmm.
I was spoken in the morning as well. In
Okay.
my Excel sheet, there is no date function, right?
June quarter, FY21, September quarter, December quarter, March quarter, fiscal year. You have your fiscal year, June quarter,
Yeah.
2022. Okay. Okay. Wait.
But
Again, you have July. Again, you have some months as well. July
yeah, I
FY20.
have months and the years as well.
Guys, can other please mute?
Yes.
Yeah. So okay. So
I
what?
tried it. I was tried using the pivot function in a Tableau data source, right? But it's not working correctly. When I am checking with the India total segment quarter, when I'm using the June quarter in the filter function also, it will the values is totally collapsed.
Can you show me that in Tableau?
Yeah, I just screenshot in using in another laptop.
Because without you showing what value it is giving, it's hard for me to tell you where actually it is going wrong, right?
Okay. I'm just using XXX for you in filter function and filter the India total segment.
Yeah,
business
but
quarter.
without seeing that, I can't tell you because wait, here it is
Okay.
total business partner is for every row it is total segment business partner, right?
Yes.
Then it will show you all the values, right?
Yeah, it will show all the values only.
So
But once again,
you need to have a field,
okay.
right? You need to have a field to identify the each row there, right? Otherwise, how can you
Yes.
differentiate between first row and the second row?
Okay.
Obviously, right? Because here what you are doing is here you are trying to identify each
That
row,
is the
each
each
row.
quarter.
Yeah, I got it. But the row I'm talking about,
Ah,
I'm not talking about column level. I'm talking at the row level.
okay.
When you are trying to get it at the row level, they will all aggregate and it will show you value. You can't see individual value.
Okay.
If you
I'm
want
asking.
to see an
Yes,
individual,
I know that. But
yeah,
using this Excel format, I need to show this type of visualization. It is possible.
that is possible. It's not that it is not possible. You can show that.
Okay. Okay, let me try.
Now
And
here, see, they are not even asking you to convert that into a date. They're asking
yes.
you when it is quarter, just select those quarters, whatever the quarters they are asking. If they are asking for only FY21, then take a contains function, and in now when you pivot, all these will come into one column. Junior,
Yes. Correct.
June, yeah. So on that column, use a contains function or something to identify which are having FY21. Then you'll get all the quarters in FY20. Again,
Okay.
then
Based
all the
on
quarters in
FY
FY20.
2021.
Depends what you need. If you only need, I think if you need only first quarter, which is June quarter all the years,
June
then
quarter.
you
Yes.
identify June. Now it again depends on your requirement, right?
Okay. Okay. Okay, Ajay. I will try
Okay.
and get back to you.
Okay, great. Yeah. Any other doubts, guys? Go ahead.
Yeah, Rajesh.
Mhm.
Rajesh, like yesterday we discussed right about that when we publish the data source into the Tableau Cloud server, the calculation fields are not
Yeah,
showing
yeah, yeah.
as cal. Have you checked that one?
No, I haven't. I had a very busy day yesterday.
Okay. So
Uh, let I have my other laptop open. Just let me check for a second. If
yeah,
a
sure, definitely.
data source is published, what which is that one? Yeah, here the data source is published. When the data source is published, then you are saying it is asking you an option to whether to just let me search for that here. So I think you might have already checked this.
I'm not able to see your screen.
Dashboard around. Okay, you're not able to see it. Just a second. Okay, just give me a second. Just a moment. Excuse me, sorry. Okay, I'm not getting anything right now. Let me check and get back to you. Okay?
Okay. Okay, sure. And one more thing, Rajesh, like in before days that he told me like I have placed I have created some of the calculation field month wise. If I select January month, it's showing the 100%. Whatever the month we are getting for the month, like suppose we showed the month to, January to December sum of sales.
Mm-hmm.
Suppose if we select January month, it needs to show the January month sales, but I faced the issue is it is showing that 100%. You told
You
me
need,
that
yeah, LOD.
you
You
told me
need to
that
remove
yes,
the,
LOD,
yeah,
sum of sales by fixed sum of sales.
yes.
Yes, you told me right. But now I have created the calculation field by using the different data sources, like 2 or 3 data sources. When I apply this logic further, it is not taking like when you use LOD, it needs to take from only single data source.
Yeah, obviously you cannot use it in this, right? You cannot use
But
that.
I have created that calculation by using the different data sources.
Two different data sources, one is in numerator and other is in denominator. That is what you're saying.
Yes,
Then why don't you go for relationships?
relationship.
Because when you use relationship, this will not occur. The other, okay. Now, you mean to say you have two data sources. What is the linking field? What is the linking field?
Yes, one is there for linking.
Yeah.
Common call.
Is it the same linking field is being present in the sheet when you are trying to get that totals?
No, it was not included in the calculation.
See, my point is, even when it is blending, for that percent of total, remove that linking field. When you remove that linking field, you will get the total value from that secondary data source. You need not write any LOD. Let me show you that.
I didn't get you.
Yeah, just let me show. Now I am doing this. Now
Can
I am bringing.
show me?
I'm not sharing my screen.
Yeah, it was here. Okay, we can see. Can you
I've
expand the
just
data source?
created a data blend at category. So now here I'm bringing my sales. And just like you have written, I'm writing the calculated fields. Sum of sales divided by sum of sales in the different data source, the blended one.
Hello.
Okay, I'm doing this.
Yes.
Yeah, this one must make present. Apply. Now here I am bringing this. Now you are saying you are getting 100% for everything, right?
You can.
You're getting 100%.
You can do.
Pardon? Okay, sorry.
Yes.
Here yes, now here if you see, if I'm removing this, the percentage is changing, right? Now when there is no linking field,
but when can you?
okay, you mean to say here it is not showing the percentage. That is what you say.
No, here it is showing the percentage, but when I select only furniture, it is showing the 100%. The before it showed right 33%, 33, 33.
Now for that, actually, wait.
That's the correct one.
Let me go back here. Where is my, what is that calculation? It is calculation 1, right? Where is my calculation? Okay, this is in here. But actually, I should have used total here.
So if you use total, no need to use LOD, right?
Wait, it is not taking the total also. Just a moment. It is total of sum of sales. It is not giving me the expected value. If it is, then why am I getting? When I am using this, yeah. Okay, I think for this I need to edit table calculations. Perfect, yeah. Now I got it for this, right? For this, I got it these percentages. But now what you are saying is when you filter by category, it is showing 100%. This is what you are saying, right?
Yeah.
You don't want this to happen, then
Yes.
remove the linking field.
Can you make it the sum of sales as well, the percentage of total?
Pardon?
Sum of sales. Like
Let me
the,
rewrite
no,
this.
the 7,42,000 is there, right?
Huh.
Can you make it that percentage of total?
This one
That
is
is what
percentage. This is the sale
that
value, right? This is the percentage of total. This is the sale value.
okay. Can you check? Can you okay? How you got like 32.30? You create a calculation by total
See,
sum of sales,
now
right?
here I am activating the linking field. It is showing you 100%. I am
Okay.
deactivating the linking field. Now, why is this happening? Is because let me bring sales in here. You will get the clarity. I am bringing sales from my secondary data source, right? Now I am removing this filter. Now observe one thing. When the linking field is present, you will get, because the linking field is getting like this is active. So when the two databases are communicating, they are communicating based on category and you are getting these values. If I uncheck this, it is giving you at the data source level.
Okay.
Hence you are getting that. And the advantage with this is, even if you have hidden this, like deactivated this linking field, when you go into a new sheet, it is again different. This will not affect the other sheet. So when you are taking percent of total, you can deactivate that and you can get the total value. The percent will not change.
Okay.
Is that clear?
Like yes. Can you open the calculation once?
Let me put that in.
Calculation.
I'll put that in comments. You can
Yes.
work with that.
And one more, like here, you have written the total sum of order sample sales, right?
Total.
Sum of sales by total of sum of sales. You written, right?
But this is
so
from
the before.
These two are from two different data sources.
Different. Okay.
This is from my primary data source and this is from my secondary data source.
If both are in primary, like in one data source, we can write by fixed sum of sales.
Yes, you can use LODs.
Okay, that's I understand. Thank you, Rai. Thank you so much.
Any other doubts, guys?
Hi Rajeshwar, good morning. This is Pawan.
Hi, Pawan.
Can I share my screen?
Okay.
Are you able to see my screen?
Yes.
Here is that I shall take the customer ID and order ID. For this customer, I don't have any order date from that in 2020. But I need to show that whatever the data source available in the year. Suppose there is the 2019 to 2022 is the date. So here the 2020 is missing. I need to add the 2020 and need to display the sales as a 0. Is that possible?
In a way, yes. Can you right click on year order date that is present in rows? Right click on that. You have that show missing values option. Up. Right? Now write a calculation. Lookup of.
Sorry?
Lookup. Lookup of sum of sales, comma 0. Yeah. Now drag that in there. Okay, put that in Zn. Put the calculation in Zn. Hello, am I audible?
Yes.
Yeah, put the calculation. Open that calculation.
Yes, I got it.
You got the 0, right? Okay. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. Any other doubts, guys? The last doubt, because we are at 10:02. Any other doubts?
Hi, Rajeshwar.
Hi, Shravya.
I wanted to show a filter. Usually, if we take the filters, let's say if we are dragging the order ID into the filters and I wanted to show only 2021 data, we'll check that box. That's all right.
Yeah.
But if we click on show filters, then the remaining filters will also be displayed. How can I display only 2021 in the show filters tab?
Okay, you mean to say here order date if you okay, if you show filter, when you are getting all these, but here in this you are editing the filter and then you are
Share
selecting
your screen,
only.
Rajesh.
Oh, I didn't share my screen. Sorry. Okay, now you are saying when you apply this here you are getting 2019, but here you don't want to get all the other years, right?
Yes.
Duplicate this, bring this in here.
Okay.
Select your years 2019, apply. Okay, now add this to context, right? Now in here select the option only all values in context. Okay,
Yes.
because when you add something into context, the values that are available in here for this filter are the only those values that are available in this. Here only 2019 is available, right? So for that this filter will rely on this context filter for values. So here you are only having 2019, and even in the values I have selected all values in context, hence you are getting it.
Okay. Understood. Thank you, Raj.
Thank you. Yeah. Okay, any other doubts, guys? Okay, one thing before ending this is there is a batch of Tableau training that is starting on the Sunday. Like the classes will begin from Monday. So if you are interested or any of your friends are interested, because whatever we discussed, right, most of the scenarios that we discuss that will be part of the training actually. Majority of your real-time doubts will be clear. We structured it that way. So you or your friends or your colleagues, if they are looking for training, please do approach this number. Right? Please do approach this number 912131433 and you can get that access to the training. Okay, that is from my end. Again, we'll meet on Monday, guys. This is Friday, right? This is Thursday or Friday? Thursday. So yeah, we have one more session tomorrow. We'll again meet tomorrow then. Okay. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.